Tēnā koutou. In videos 5 and 6 we looked at the use of kei te to talk about the present tense. Today we're going to look at how we can alter that just slightly to talk about something that happened in the past, just happened, or maybe is going to happen in the future. But first, let's have a look at these kupuhau. Hi koi. Oh. Koe. Ia.
Kia ora koro, anei tō cup of tea.
Kia ora tia.
Ka haha koe te rānei.
Ka haere au ki te hi koi.
Kei te aha koe koro.
Kei te haere au ki te hi koi.
Kei hia a koro.
Kua haere ia ki te hikoi.
Kei hia o hu.
Koro, I he koe.
I te hi koi au. So, to recap that session, if we want to talk about something that happened in the past, start our sentence with, you guessed it, I. If it has happened or has just happened, we start our sentence with kua. If it is happening now, you guessed it, kei te. And if it will happen in the future, we start our sentence with ka. Pretty simple, eh, whānau? Hoi anō, ko mutu au i konei, ka kite anō.